Namaskar. Welcome to this lesson of Learn Bharatnatyam. Today we are going to learn all about Alaripu. Alaripu is a short composition presented in a traditional Bharatnatyam recital. Alaripu literally means blooming. How the bird blooms in a flower, the same way dancer starts with a gentle, soft movements and she extends it in a larger scale in 3 speeds. We start with a gentle eye, neck and shoulder movements and then we expand and create geometrical patterns using our whole body. In this presentation, we express gratitude towards God, Guru and the audience. It also has an expression of warm welcome. Alaripu is pure dance sequence. That means it doesn't have specific emotion to it. It's abstract. It has a geometrical pattern as I mentioned before. So it's a pure nritta sequence presented in the beginning of the show. Before we move on and learn the actual movements of Alaripu, one should thoroughly know the rhythm cycle and the patterns and the bows. This particular Alaripu which we are going to learn is set in Tishra Ekam Tal. For that we need to understand how the Carnatic Tala Paddhati goes. But it is really a vast subject. So I have to make a different video on it. If you really want to know more about the Tala process or the rhythm process, please let us know in the comment box below. So, still I'll give you a brief information about how it works. So, our Carnatic Tala Paddhati is not linear, it's circular. So, if we take Tishra Ekam, it's going to be a cycle of 3 beats. So, we start 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So now this 1 is really very important as it is a starting point. We call it sum. So however you want to play with the rhythm, you will have to come back to that 1 in that particular time, which we call laya. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We have bowls for it. Okay, we call it ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta. Okay, and also we have a particular way of counting it. So on first we are going to clap and rest of the 2 we are going to count by the fingers. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ta, ki, ta, ta, ki, ta. So if this is our basic lay or speed, 1, 2, 3, ta, ki, ta. We are going to double it now. Ta, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, ta, ki, ta, 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 ta, ki, ta. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. It might sound complicated. It is complicated because 4, 6, 8, even numbers are really easy to play. The odd numbers are really difficult. But this is how this particular tala is. So it's 3 and this is how you have to recite it. Let's understand how one should recite the bowls. So we start from 3rd speed, okay? Because it's a beginning, it has to be really quick. So we start from dhanan, kutakatadi kinatu. Then we move on, tat, tai, taiyum, tat, tam, kitataki. Then we start the 1st speed, 2nd speed, 3rd speed, that loop, which you have to say it thrice. So, tam, then tam, kitataki tai, tat, tai, kitataki, and then we will move on to the 2nd speed, 3rd speed, like that. So basically it's a pattern of first speed, second speed, third speed. You have to say it thrice. So I'm going to recite it, the whole thing, and then you can practice it and say it several times for your understanding, and then you can actually learn the Alaripu, count properly, and then we can say it again. So this particular video is for you to practice the speeds and understand the bols. So as I mentioned before, there are particular bolas for this sequence. So I'm going to recite it for you, and before you move on to the movements, please practice this and say it several times. Let me tell you, it is little complicated, but understand it and try to do it and you will get it for sure. Okay? So let's start. Ta, ki, ta. Dhalang, kutak, tadikina, tum, ta, tay, tay, yum, ta, tam, kitata, kita, tay, tay, yum, ta, tam, kitata, kitam, dhe, tam, kitata, kitay, ta, tay, kitata, kitam, dhe, tam, kitata, kitay, ta, tay, kitata, kitam, dhe, tam, tay, ta, tay, tam, 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 dhe, tam, tay, tam, dhe, tam, tay, ta, tay, tam, dhe, tam, tay, ta, tay, tam, dhe, tam, kitata, kitay, ta, tay, kitata, kitam, dhe, tam, kitata, kitay, ta, tay, kitata, kitam, dhe, tam, tay, ta, tay, tam, dhe, tam, tay, ta, tay, tam, dhe, tam, tay, ta, tay, tam, dhe, tam, tay, tam, dhe, tam, tay, ta, tay, tam, dhe, tam, tay, ta, tay, tam, dhe, tam, tay, ta, tay, tam, dhe, tam, tay, tam, dhe, tam, tay, ta, tay, tam, dhe, tam, tay, ta, tay, tam, dhe, tam, kitata, kitay, ta, tay, kitata, kitam, dhe, tam, tay, ta, tay, tam, dhe, tam, tay, ta, tay, tam, dhe, tam, tay, ta, tay, tam, dhe, tam, tay, tam, dhe, tam, tay, ta, tay, tam, dhe, tam, tay, ta, tay, tam, dhe, chum, tay, ta, chum, tay, chag, tay, 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 ki na tum, ta, ka, tay, ki na tum, ta, ka, ti, ku, tay, ki na tum, ta, degu, ta, ka, 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 talang, ku, ta, ka, tay, ki na tum, ta, tay, tay, yum, ta, tam, kitata, kita, tay, tay, yum, ta, tam, kitata, kitam. So I hope really you like this video. If you like it, like, share and subscribe, and keep dancing.